Hi guys, welcome to this video of Yaesu's new handheld. It's a FT-4X, released mid-2018, and it's the first chance I've been able to get my hands on one of these. It's a low-cost radio, I would say, to compete with the Baofangs and other Chinese radios out there on the market. This is manufactured in China, but to Yaesu's specifications. It's a USA version that I've got here, which will cover 144 to 148, 430 to 450 TXRX. It also has general coverage receive 136 to 174, 400 to 480, and also includes the FM broadcast band, which is 65 to 108. 5 watts output on high, selectable down to 2.5 watts mid, and then half a watt on low. I'm just going to go through some of the controls on the radio and some of the buttons. So you've got the on volume control. You've got an orange button on the top, which will push it down for 3 seconds, I believe, and it will go to your home frequency and make a siren noise. Haven't tried that out yet. We have PTT, a monitor stroke tone squelch, depending on the version you've got. The European market, if you hold that button down, it will activate a 1750 Hertz tone. This one obviously is the USA version, as I said, so is a monitor button. Then you've also got a function, and hold it down, it will get you into the menu system. Numbers across the keypad there. VFO and memory mode. We've got a band button. Up and down for frequency and to get to cycle through your menu system, and some quick access keys there. So it's got VFO-A, VFO-B, and your memory. If you want to use the radio to receive FM broadcast, you need to be in VFO-B. Then you can cycle through the band, so we're at 2 meters, 70 SEMS, FM broadcast. If I go back to VFO-A, it will only cycle through 2 meters and 70 SEMS. So one thing that most hams like doing is programming in local repeaters or your local repeater. Very easy to do on this radio. I'm in Phoenix on vacation, and I've been listening to a repeater out here, which is 449525. So it's already put the repeater shift in. I just now need to put in the tone frequency. So we're going to hold down that bottom button. Gets us into the menu. Menu is very simple. You probably will need the menu to decipher some of the short codes on here. But let's go and put in tone for the repeater. Squelch. So just to access that menu, just press it once. It's telling me that the CTCSS is off. You can have it on receive, transmit. I normally have it on tone squelch. Push the bottom button in again, and that accepts it. It's now put it at the top of the display. So I need to check that I've got the right CTCSS. Push that button again, which I know that's correct. To get out of the menu, just hold down that bottom button. And again, there you are. So we've got repeater shift, tone squelch, right frequency. Now if I key it up, there you are. Do it again so you can see. Right, we're going to put this into a memory now. Once you put all your details in that you need for the repeater, hold down the V/N button. We'll bring up this. So we're going to have to, it's going into memory number 2. So I don't know the repeats call sign, so we're just going to put REP. So we've got to cycle through the keys. To move on to the next cursor, or the next slot there, just push that bottom button in once, very momentarily. You're going to put in E. RE, then again, put the P. Oh, gone past it. Right, so I'm just going to put REP. To save it into that memory, hold down that V/M button. It's now stored that into that memory. So we can go back to VFO, FM broadcast band, memory, REP. That's already pre-stored in the radio. So there's only 2 in there, just to prove the point. There's a repeater there. Not bad for the money. It's it cost $100 out here in America. I think it's about £60–65 in the UK. So if you're after a cheap handheld for your go bag or something like that, I definitely think it's worth the money, indeed. Hope you enjoyed the video. There is another video out there on YouTube which shows you can wideband the radio. I wouldn't recommend it because it voids the warranty, but if it meets specifications and you have a license to use outside the amateur bands, there is a video out there from Simon the Wizard with details on how to wideband the radio just by pushing a few buttons, but I'll leave it to his video to show you how to do that. I'm going to keep mine as an amateur band radio only. Thanks a lot for viewing the video. 7-3.